Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tovia Ogun back again with another exciting video. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made and edited that challenge video you've just seen. If you want to know all of that, keep on watching this video and make sure you watch it to the end because every single part of this video counts. And if you haven't subscribed, please do that right now and turn on post notifications so you can always receive all the notifications once I upload another challenge video. Do like this video and comment what you would like to see on this channel. So to begin this challenge video, you want to start by recording yourself. You could either make your video with your TikTok app or with your phone camera. I'll be using my phone camera and I will be showing you guys how I will be doing that. So let's get started. So guys, once you've positioned your phone to record your video, you want to make sure the video is creative enough. Make sure you have some movement and just make something creative. The most important thing here is to make sure you have like spaces around you. The reason for this is because once you start editing your videos, those stickers, they need spaces to like drop before they get to your body. So that's it. When you are done making your video and you are okay with the video, the next thing you want to do is to edit that video. So the app we'll be using to edit the video is Zoomerang. If you don't yet have it on your phone, you can go install it. So I'm going to open the app right now. So something I want to say is you can also make your video with this very app, but as usual I prefer using my phone camera because the quality is much more better. But whatever you like, just do it as long as you make your video and it isn't too long. So you want to stay at least between 1 minute. If you want a video that is more than 1 minute, then you should do it in different time and then put everything together later. So what you want to do is to click on editor under there. Then click on stickers and not video editor, stickers. So once you click on stickers, your video album should now open. Then go ahead and choose the video which you'll be editing right now. And then click on next. So once you click on next, this part is going to open for you. This is the dashboard where we'll be editing our videos. So by the side, you could see different tools for editing. I know you can't see that very well on this because of my door and all of that, but I'll put a picture by the side to kind of show you what they are. And then I'm going to explain what each and every one of them are and what you can do with them. But before that, you can see your video right now is just the normal usual video. So I'm holding the red line, just going across to show you guys that this video, there's nothing yet on this video. So what you want to do is to click on the red line again, just go and then choose the area or the part you want to edit. So I like this part. I like the way my hand actually flips, so I want to edit that. So what you want to do is to click on that red line, get the upper part that says plus. So you want to click on that plus and then you have this new page. So on this page we have different tools again for editing the video. So I'm going to explain each and every one of those tools. So the first tool there is the zoom tube. So once you click on that, it zooms your video or the part you want to see. So this is just to help you like highlight a certain part of the video. So then click off and that is you. So the second tool there is eraser. So this very tool is for cleaning anything. So I'll go back to that too. So let me go back to the first tool first, then I'll go back to the eraser tool. So the first tool that has the airbrush stuff on it, which is this one. So this one is for choosing the part where you want to cut off. So for example, I want to cut that hand out of my body. So what you want to do is to touch it like this. And it takes everything. So this is what this tool do for you. Like it takes every part of that hand. For example, I want to also do my face, so I just click on my face like this. See, it takes everything. Beautiful. So if I don't like this face taken or I want to change it, I will go to my eraser tool and then clean it off. I don't want my face taken, so and then I will just erase everything off the video. That's me. Or rather still, you could click on just, you see that up to that says back, you can click on that, it takes it back, or you click on this, everything is done and undone. Now the second middle tool there This one, yeah, takes only a certain part which you want. For example, I just want a part of my head, so I'll just do that. There you go. So this tool doesn't highlight everything, it just takes a part of whatever you want, whereas this other tool takes like a whole page. You see that? Takes everything. So this is what each of those two do for you. Now, so what we're going to do is to now choose what we want to do to our video. So this longer arrow here just help you select how you want your tool to be, if bigger or smaller. So for example, this one here, let me just erase this stuff first and then show you an example of what I mean. For example, this tool, I want it really big, so once I touch, you see that it's so massive and takes everything, and I could even take all of my body, and there we go. So that being said, I want to take it backward, go back. So I want just my hand taking on this part of this video. So once you're sure you want just your hand, then you want to click on done. Now let's see what happened here. So I want to click on play. Now you see that? That is absolutely beautiful. So let's say we want to take another part. So, and let me say I want to go back a little bit and find the part. Oh, I like this part, so I want to take this. So you want to also click on that plus again. Here we go. So now you want to choose what you want. Yeah, so you see this part, it didn't take everything. So what you want to do is to go back to it a little bit more. Just touch it until everything is taken. Perfect. Or you could use this other smaller tool and just take the little part like you want it to be. So I want to take this face, takes everything. I want the hand taken, takes everything. So there's a little part missing that you could do that again, takes it. And then once you're done, you want to click on done as usual. So I'm going to take another one again. Let's look for another part. So let's say, yeah, I like this part. So click on the plus. Now let's use this other tool. So you want to keep doing it, keep petting it until you think it is okay. I prefer the other tool though, because this one, I'm not really the best when it comes to designing stuff, but I love to draw, but I'm not the best. Anyway, so yeah, that's that. So I want to use the other tool for the face because, you know, how beautiful is that? So if you don't want your hair taken, you can always clean your hair off. So you could clean the hair off, or better still, you can just go back again and just click on the face a little bit, touch the arrow and then click on the face. Takes only the face. You see that? Awesome. Now you want to click on done, but before then there's an error. There is an error, and we want to take off that error. So you want to click on the eraser and then take off that arrow at the back over there. There you go. Perfect. And then click on done. So let's watch our video and see what we've done here. Amazing. Nice work, guys. We did it. Look at that. Ooh, this one looks really scary. Look at that. Amazing. So if you want to add more click, you can go ahead and just add it. Now let me explain each and every other tool that is right here on the front. So the first two here, I'm gonna go back so I can show you guys what I want. So the first two here says stop after. So what does this tool do for you? I'm gonna play it and then you'll see. So if you click on that tool, see what it does. So you see this thing is going back instead of coming in. So it's like your body part is leaving you instead of coming back to you like we originally wanted. So that's what that tool does for you. It takes away the work instead of bringing it back. So instead, if you click off, now let me show you guys what is going to happen if you click off it. See everything coming back. So with the tool, it makes goes off, but when you take it off, makes everything comes down like it's supposed to be, you know. So that is for that. Now the second tool there is another beautiful tool. So this one is what choose your stickers for you, like how you want your stickers to be, if the sticker should come from above or from below or from the side or vertical or horizontal, anyway. So I'm just going to click on it. So now it is coming from the up. So when you choose the second one, it means to come from the down. Let's see what's going to happen. You see that? Amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing. This is beautiful. I know. So let's go back and choose another two. Let's say this other two here. Let's go. Yeah, and that again is beautiful. So let's just check another two. Let me take it to this other two here and show you guys what that one can do for you. So that is what that one can do for you. And then let me just check on this other one. Let's see what this one can do. So this one is bringing everything out of your body and it's just blurring and also nice. Beautiful. So that is what that particular tool does for you. Now the next one we have there is shadow. So this shadow, I don't know if you take a look at this video. Let me go back to my first tool, which is easier. Yeah, so you can see the hand. You can see how like there's something like a dark shadow around it. So that's what that shadow is. So if you don't want it, if you don't want the dark part, you just click off it. Sorry, click off it. You see how it has changes? No more shadow. Everything is just original. So but with shadow, there we go. It's darkened. So you see the difference? Yeah. Now another tool we have there is the speed tool. So this one just help fasten the stickers or probably lower it. So let's say we fasten it and see what happened. So fast. So if you want something faster, you use that tool for it. If you want something slower, you go back a little bit. So however you want it is just fine. Now the mode is for pro and on pro. So right now I'm using the no pro, the normal Zoomerang app. So I'm just using the normal one. But if you want to go on pro, you know, you can choose on that. But we're gonna stick on this one, you know. So guys, there's one thing you must know about this app. So if you look here, I've only got three places where I've inserted my stickers on. So on this part of the Zoomerang, which is not the pro version, you can only do 8 of this. I remember when I was like practicing on this app how to use it on my own, I crashed more than 10 times on this app. Like I keep crashing. I didn't know why, because I was like inserting so many stickers on each part of the video. Yeah, you know, I wanted it to be so exciting. So every time the app was just crashing, I was like, what is going on? And how would I want to go on pro if the app keep crashing like that? What if I'm on pro? What's gonna happen? So I was like, let me see what is going on. So I decided to go inside the sticker 5, 4, 6 and just see what's gonna happen. So I realized that because I was going above 8, that was why the app was crashing. So you want to stick on 8 stickers. So I will advise you that if you've got a video of 2 minutes, so you want to cut them into like 50 seconds. So the first 50 seconds you can put 8 stickers on it, the other one again 8 stickers, and just do it like that. Then later you can move your video to another app and then put everything together, because this app doesn't allow more than 8 stickers, except you want to go on pro. I don't know, but I believe you should. If you're on pro, you can take off the watermark, and at the same time you can use other stickers, and at the same time you can use more than 8 stickers on one video. So you don't want to crash, because if you crash, it's so annoying after putting everything and then everything just crashes. So anyways guys, we're just gonna see our video and make sure we like it. So I'm gonna insert one extra one here to just remember you guys of what we've been doing since. I'm just gonna click all over my body on this one. Yeah, and then click on done, and I'm gonna watch everything from the beginning to the end. So we are still on speed, remember. So if you want to go slower, you can always do that. Feel free to explore, feel free to do what you like, make creative videos, make lovely dancing videos. And there we go, we made it guys. This is so beautiful. So that is it. The next thing you want to do is to click on next. Now by next, you're saving this video. So normally this app takes forever to save, but I think because my video is just less than 25 seconds, so that's why it's kind of fast. But normally it takes forever. I know what I'm talking about. So once you've done that, you want to click on save. So you've only saved that video on this app, not on your phone yet. So don't be in a hurry. You want to click on save again, otherwise the thing hasn't saved on your phone yet. It is still on the app. So click on save, or probably if you want to upload it on any of those parts of the apps like TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, just do that. If you don't, you want to click on save. But first guys, if you want to add music to this video, you could do that on this app. But first you want to save it and go and import it again and then put your music. But I'm not going to use this app, but I'm going to add music to it. So I'm going to go to another app to use and then add music to this video. So I'm going to click on my save now. And yeah, that's we saved. So I'll see you guys at the other side. Let's go import some music on this lovely video. So guys, welcome back. To put music on your video, you're gonna use the app InShot. So I always use this app in case you don't know. So if you don't have it, go install it. If you already have it, let's go. So you want to open InShot. You want to click on video, click on new. Now go select the video which you'll be using, which is mine here, and then click on the green. Go. There we go. So this is our video without no music. You see how amazing and lovely this video look. This is our handwork guys. We did really well. I know we did really well. A little bit of speed. You can always take it down before importing your video. So with that being said, I'm gonna put music. So you want to click on the part that says music. You want to go click on tracks. So you could either extra audio from video or you could import music. I'm gonna use the import music, and then I'm gonna take my music there, romantic slow song. You know, I just save it like that. So I'm gonna play this for you guys to listen to. Yeah, that is all. So you could always put any song you like. So I just want to use this song, so feel free to use any song, and that's you done. So you want to save the video, save, and then you can upload it wherever you want. If you want to put it on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, wherever you want, feel free darling. And guys, if you do like this tutorial, don't forget to give me thumbs up, okay? Yeah. Welcome back guys, and thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that right now, and do comment what you would like to see on this channel. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye.